Good day everyone. I'll just want to explain you how to record your slides and video for AIC 2021. It's very simple. We just record in our Zoom. So first of all, we will click a new meeting Zoom. Okay, here we can see that Zoom is open for us. So now what we do, just click on the share screen. Normally what we do, we just do that where from here we select any window and share our screen, but for this time we are not doing this. We will click not on the basic, this is the basic window, and now we will click on the advanced window. Once we click the advanced window, we will see that there is PowerPoint as a virtual background. This is a good option. We will select that and share. After that we will go where we have selected our saved our slides or our presentation. We will select there. For example, I have selected saved my presentation on the desktop, so I just go there, click that presentation or slides and open. Now we can see that now PowerPoint is opening in our Zoom, and I'm here in the virtually slides are background and on the background, and my video is at the front. So what I'll do there, I can also select here. I can adjust my video at any point where I want to adjust that. I can also slow down and up down. Okay, low down and up down. So that is already option. So before the recording, I just complete the whole window. Here is a complete window, my presentation. Our presentation should be for the 5 seconds. First slide must be take 5 seconds. So first on that my title, my name, like my name is Noman Khan, my abstract ID, and after that once I'm ready to record, I will click just the record button. So you can see that from here, just record.
Recording in progress.
Okay, now the recording is start. So I will start like this. My title for the presentation is teamwork, and I'm the Noman Khan presenter for this presentation, and my abstract idea is like this. So once my whole slides and my complete presentation is once finished, so I will just stop recording.
Recording stopped.
When I stop recording, and when I'll just from here finish this meeting, this will automatically save our presentation in the documents folder. From here, once you can see that the convert meeting recording, it's converting into the document MP4 file. So it will be record. It will be record, and it's record already. And from here we can open that. So that's very simple and easy way to record your presentation in Zoom. I hope you will you can understand the overall recording process. So best of luck and best wishes for your recording.